All right, welcome back. There's a minute to go for the pre-open session. Just, getting to it. The SGX is still indicating about a 25 or point lower start. Manoj Murlidharan is with us, Vice President Derivatives at Religare Broking. Manoj, great to have you with us here. Thank you very much. The market here, despite all of the intraday and day-on-day volatility, and the swings have been very large, for the week ended absolutely flat. How are things set up? We were discussing this last week when you were on, that FII index future net short positions are rising. They're nowhere near what they were at the lows in June when the market was at 15,200 or so. But I mean, the numbers are rising now. How are things looking to you?
Yeah, good morning, Prashant. Like you rightly said, the volatility is in the peak. So we look into the quantitative part of it. The volatility index is at almost 19.5. So this range of 17,400 to let's say 17,700 that the market is trading in. But this time, maybe in the last couple of days, we have seen the rate go up. So I'm afraid that 17,700 would act as a good resistance. Now, because we are towards the lower side of the range, that is closer to 17,500, the risk reward is more to that bounce of 150-200 points. And Prashant, one important thing I would like to say, the positions in the Nifty is almost, let's say 1.27 to 1.3 crores, so that is the max we see in the last 6 months if we compare that. So either it can lead to a short covering, and we believe that the weighted average price of the short covering would come above 17,750. So if that happens, then the Nifty has more upside, maybe an 18,200 or 300. But as of now, the risk reward will be more on the buy side with a 17,450 as a stop loss, 17,700 as a target. If we cross that, as you rightly said, the short covering might come in, and then we might see a possible 18,200.
Okay.
You want to give us your stocks for the day, Manoj? What are you looking at today?
Yes, Sonia, good morning. I guess TCS is one stock that I believe last couple of days there has been no severe long position, rather there has been some profit booking and short as well. So 3160 to 3170 is the resistance. So better is to buy a 31,000 put option for this month, September, but you try to buy between a 50 to 55 rupees. Keep a stop loss of 20 and the target would be closer to 95 on that.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that. Those are some stock ideas coming in from Religare Broking. Prakash Diwan is